in an effective and aesthetically pleasing manner. This incorporates several tasks and responsibilities. This incorporates several tasks and responsibilities. Design web pages, first point. Design web pages, brochures, logos, signs, books, magazine cover, annual report, animated graphics, advertisement, and other communication materials. Create these materials create these materials by hand or by using technology by hand or by using technology, including computer software programs, Adobe Creative Suite, including Photoshop, Illustrator, InDesign, and more, is the standard in the industry and most employers expect designers to be proficient with its program. Meet with clients to gain an understanding. Meet with clients to gain an understanding of what they want, their proposed communication, their proposed communications to look like. Create or incorporate illustrations, pictures, and designs to reflect the desired theme and tone of the communication. Select type size. Select type size, yeah, font size and style to enhance the readability of text and images. Produce drafts for review by clients and make revisions based on the feedback received. Review final productions for errors. Review final productions for errors and ensure that final prints reflect client specifications. Review final production for errors and ensure that final prints reflects client specifications. This field puts a great deal of this field puts a great deal of emphasis on experience. Even if that experience is even if that experience is simply developing your own work, simply developing your own work as an example. A few graphic designers don't go through any sort of a few graphic designers don't go through any sort of formal training and are completely self-taught. These people typically have an advanced aptitude for computer aided design. Education. Many graphic designers complete a bachelor's degree. Many graphic designers complete a bachelor degree with a major or concentration in graphic design, either at a traditional college or an art institute. Training. People with bachelor's degree people with bachelor's degree in unrelated fields people with bachelor's degree in unrelated fields often they need through technical programs such as software training courses. Such as software training courses. They might also take specialized courses. They might also take specialized courses in graphic design and complete internships or do freelance work. Employers seek certain skills in graphic designers. These include both soft skills, which can be difficult to quantify, which can be difficult to quantify and reflect how you interact with others and your environment and hard skills. Graphic designer must be able to discuss advice and suggestions from clients, as well as understand what they want. Time management skills. Graphic designers often find that they are juggling several projects almost simultaneously. Teamwork skills. Designers must be able to Designers must be able to collaborate and get along with others when they work as part of a design team. Graphic designers work of environments. Graphic designers work in a variety of environments. Some work for graphic design, some work for graphic design, public relations, or advertising films. Completing projects. Completing projects for various clients. Others work in communication departments. Other works in communication departments within business, government agencies, colleges, non-profit groups, or other organizations. Some work in publishing houses, Some work in publishing houses, producing designs for specific newspapers. Magazines, books, websites, and more. Many graphic designers are self-employed. Many graphic designers are self-employed. They have client, they work for, they have clients, they work for independently. Most of the graphic designers time is spent in a studio, surrounded by necessary equipments, surrounded by necessary equipment. Those who work with firms typically work in teams. Work schedule. This can be a deadline. एक फोन आ रहा है, होल्ड करिए. This can be a deadline intensive career, which can demand overtime, which can demand overtime and hours in addition to or other than the average business day. Self-employed self-employed freelancers will often find themselves self-employed freelancers will often find themselves meeting with existing and potential clients at all hours. Whether they work for a company, whether they work for a company or they are self-employed, there might be times when they are busy working on on many projects and other times when they are waiting for a new project. Graphic design students, last 3 lines. Graphic design students develop their portfolios through hand-on classroom projects, and graphic design internships. But they also build their portfolios through freelance work. Very well. Even if it does not pay very or pay at all. ग्राफिक डिजाइनर की क्या क्वालिफिकेशन होती है, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर की रिस्टेबिलिटीज क्या होती हैं, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर कैसे काम कर रहा है, संस्थान उससे क्या उम्मीद करता है, उसकी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज क्या होती हैं, कितना वर्क प्रेशर उसके ऊपर होता है, क्या जिम्मेदारियां होती हैं, क्या उसमें खूबियां होती हैं। अगर ये क्वेश्चन आप लोगों को आएगा तो आप कर लेंगे। आवाज आ रही है?
अच्छा,
कर लेंगे आप। और ये सब आएगा अगर ग्राफिक डिजाइन की क्या भूमिका होती है, कैसे वो काम करता है,
हाँ जी
ये आप कर लेंगे। सिमरन, धर्मेंद्र, दीपांशु, स्मृति, मृणाल।
यस सर।
चलिए आज 2 पॉइंट हो गए, ग्राफिक डिजाइनर और सेट डिजाइनर। इसमें कुछ ऐसा है जो समझ में नहीं आया, पिछली क्लास में जो कराया था ऐसा है कुछ समझ में नहीं आया, या क्लियर हो गया सेट डिजाइनर और ग्राफिक डिजाइनर? कोई कंफ्यूजन तो नहीं है? एक असाइनमेंट आपको देता हूं मैं। टाइटलिंग, ग्राफिक्स एंड 3D एनिमेशन। नेक्स्ट क्लास यूनिट 5. बाकी मुझे लगता है आपका काफी हद तक कोर्स कम हो चुका है. ओवरव्यू ऑफ वीडियो प्रोडक्शन प्रोसेस, स्टेजेस ऑफ वीडियो प्रोडक्शन, प्री प्रोडक्शन, फास्ट प्रोडक्शन, पोस्ट प्रोडक्शन. ये हो गया. कॉम्पोजिशन ऑफ वीडियो कैमरा हो गया. बेसिक शॉट्स एंड कॉम्पोजिशन हो गया. उसके बाद आपका कैमरा मूवमेंट, कैमरा एंगल्स हो गए. इंपॉर्टेंस ऑफ लाइटिंग एंड मेकअप हो गया. यूज ऑफ डिफरेंट लेंसेज हो गया. टेलीपोर्ट लेंस, नॉर्मल लेंस, वाइड लेंस, जूम लेंस. ये हो गया. क्रोमा की टेक्निक्स हो गया. कॉन्सेप्ट, डायग्राम एंड एप्लीकेशन इन वीडियो प्रोडक्शन. ENG, EFP, ये हो गया. टेक्निक ऑफ न्यूज टेलीकास्ट हो गया. ओवरव्यू ऑफ टेलीविजन स्टूडियो, मास्टर कंट्रोल रूम, ऑडियो कंट्रोल रूम. ये हो गया. कुछ अगर नहीं हुआ और मैं बोल रहा हूँ हो गया तो मुझे टोक सकते हैं. ड्यूटीज एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ डायरेक्टर, प्रोड्यूसर एंड एडिटर. Duties and responsibility of cameraman, floor manager and production manager. Duties and responsibility of sound recordist, technical director, writer. Duties and responsibility of graphic maker, set designer, makeup person. TV personality, quality of TV presenter and news anchor. ये सब हो गया. राकेश,
सर 3.3 नहीं हुआ.
सिमरन, आमिर. ड्यूटी एंड रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी ऑफ साउंड रिकॉर्डिस्ट, टेक्निकल डायरेक्टर, स्क्रिप्ट राइटर. अबे हो तो गया
ये नहीं हुआ.
नहीं हुआ. साउंड रिकॉर्डिंग की जिम्मेदारी नहीं बताया था. चलिए अगली क्लास में इसको खत्म करेंगे. साउंड रिकॉर्डिस्ट, टेक्निकल